Let's go ahead and unpack the box. This is the body of the washer. Oh, it looks like it comes with, this says a rainproof GFCI 15 amp. And that's it for the box. Put those in. There you go. They lock in pretty easily. In here are the axles for the wheels. And they come with axles, washers, and cotter pins. We need all 3 of those for each wheel. These screws are going right into the plastic housing. You just don't want to over tighten this because it'll just strip out that plastic. So just be very careful. And then on this side, we've got these. This is the housing for the spray tips, green, white, and black. So and it has the numbers on there, 25 degree, 40 degree, and then soap. So you really can't get confused. I gotta say, this is pretty simple to assemble. All right, so it looks like that's gonna mount over that hole right there. And it snaps right into place. And then this screw will go into the hole, into the handle. And that does have to be strong because that's going to hold the power cord. First, connect the garden hose to the pressure washer water inlet. Okay, so we take the garden hose here, take our hose, and we're going to attach. This is the water inlet. It looks like it does have a little filter there in the rubber washer, so it shouldn't leak too bad. Then we'll assemble the spray gun to the spray wand. And this is a quick connect for the tips, so that'll work real well. Yeah, so it has 2 little O-rings here at the end, so this has to slide over those O-rings before it can get to the threads. Okay, that's pretty tight. Connect the desired spray tip. There's 3 tips that are available. The green one is a narrow tip fan, 25 degrees. The white tip is a wide tip fan, 40 degrees in width. And then the black tip is the soap spray tip, and this is the only tip you can use with soap. Next, we take the tip that we want. I'm gonna do the green one here. We'll give that a good workout, see how that works. And this is the high pressure hose. Then we're going to insert the high pressure hose into the trigger handle itself. These ends on the high pressure hose look identical. One goes into the spray gun. Same thing, it's got a rubber O-ring on the end, so you got to push that on, get it to seat, and then this will just screw on. There we go. It goes on pretty easily, so you just gotta be patient. Then we'll connect high pressure hose to the water outlet connector. This goes onto the brass colored or the copper colored nozzle on the back here. Yep, and if the hose is seated well, that black handle goes on real easily. Turn on the water at the outlet. And when we do this, we're running the water for 30 seconds with the motor in the off position. This helps drain the air from the hose and the pump. All right. There must have been some kind of blockage in there because it was not going through the wand. So now that water's going through there, we're going to go ahead, turn the water off, and connect the hose and see what happens. All right, so we ran water. We're getting water through the hose here. But there seems like there was something in there that was blocking it. So I put on the black tip, which is the most wide open, high volume tip, and we'll see if we can go ahead and get water to at least come through the gun. Because the green tip may be plugged, so we're just going to troubleshoot this bit by bit. Turn the water back on again. Okay, well that's what's supposed to happen. Swap out tips here. Something's up with the green one. Okay. It was clogged. Let's try it again. There we go. So something was inside that had clogged it all up, but now we at least have water coming through. All right, so now we can go ahead and turn this guy on. All right, let's give it a try. Once we're ready, we'll go ahead and connect the cord to the wall outlet. An extension cord is not recommended. If you do use an extension cord, it has to be an outdoor rated extension cord, and you want to be sure and use a Gfci outlet. It's an outlet used in outdoor settings or where water's involved. Last but not least, turn on the pressure washer, and we want to ensure that the water outlet is on at the house before you turn the power on to avoid damage to the pump. If you're getting anything out of this video, go ahead and like it. We appreciate it. It really helps our videos get some traction. All right, you can see quite a big difference there. We'll let it dry and then check it out. Overall, this did a really good job. It's taken off all the gray, all that mold, and really it doesn't eat up the wood. It's done a really nice job in taking off just the right amount. So that's kind of its limit. If you were really looking to take off every bit of paint that's off this deck and really strip it down, it doesn't work to that depth. At 2000 PSI, it's enough to clean the wood, make it looking fresh and new. When that dries out, it'll be ready for stain. But it can't strip paint 100%. It just takes off most of the loose stuff. If you're looking for it to wash your car, if you're looking for it to clean the mold off wood, paint, or to power wash your house, excellent job. But if you're really looking for heavy duty power washing, this wouldn't be the tool for you. So this is great for household use. And if you got to get beyond household use to commercial use, you need something that's got a lot more oomph. Maybe 3,000 or 4,000 PSI. But for 2,000 PSI, this little Greenworks 2000 does a great job. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.